The first step in any gas law problem is to read the problem and label the variables in the equation as P for pressure, V for volume, T for temperature, and N for moles. Volume will be given either in liters or milliliters. Temperature will be given in Celsius or Kelvin. Moles will be given in moles. Anything else will be a pressure variable. Okay, so now it's time to go back into the problem and label our variables. First we have 3.55 L, which is 3.55 liters, so that's going to be volume. Next we have 384 kPa, which that's going to be pressure. Next we have 36 degrees Celsius temperature. Next we have 4.22 liters, that's volume. And next we have 74 degrees Celsius, that's temperature. The second step is to go back into the problem and change any temperature given in Celsius to Kelvin by simply adding 273 to Celsius temperature. All temperatures must be in Kelvin. So first we have 36 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna add 273. So 36 plus 273 will give you 309. So then we go back into the problem, cross out 36 and put in 309. Next we have 74 degrees Celsius. We're gonna add 273 and we get 347. So we go back into the problem, cross out what we had and put in 347. Next, decide which of the following formulas you have by counting the number of each variable you have in the problem. So see here we have 2 V's, 2 P's, and 2 T's. So I'm going to use the formula P1 V1 divided by T1 equals P2 V2 divided by T2. The fourth step is list out your variables in your equation, then plug them into the equation. So first we're going to find P1, V1, T1, P2, V2, and T2. Okay, so P1 is going to be 384. Now we're going to solve the problem by cross multiplying and dividing. As you can see here, we have 384 times 355 over 309 Kelvin equals P2 times 4.22 divided by 347. So first we're going to cross multiply. We're going to do 384 by 3.55 times 347. So we're going to do 384 times 3.55 times 347. When you plug all this into your calculator, you get 473,030.4. And this equals P2 times 4.22 times 309. Because we're going to do the same thing as we did here. We're going to multiply P2 times 4.22 times 309. And when you plug all that into your calculator, you get you get 1,303.4 0.98. So we have So 47,330.4 equals P2 times 1,303.98. So in order to find out what P is, we gotta divide both sides by 1,003.98. You cross that out, they cancel out. So then you divide 330.4 by 1,303.98, and you get 362.59. Sorry. So P2 equals 362.759 kPa.